Alright guys, I'm gonna sit back and let my New York video gay do what it was meant to do. I'm gonna let this gay rock on without me. I'm gonna let this video gay rock on without me, man. Blizzard City number 9 or 10, I believe. Blizzard City number 9 or 10. I got that Pistol Rip New York video gay rolling. And I'm gonna let this gay rock on without me. Oh, Pistol Rip 127 on YouTube. Bye bye bye.
Mother Nature's coming and she's going, no doubt about it. But somebody said turn it up. That's your portion. So we'll turn it up. And that's been doggone real. Wow, they're bleeding pretty bad. Check it out, see, but they was bleeding pretty bad. You know we known for down in the Big Bam. Hey, you know what we known for down in the Big Bam, 713. If we can't do it like this, we can't do it at all. We get that volume where we need to get it. I think we can. Then again, we might not be able to. Hey, 713, Boss Man, South Alabama, working a real old school classic here for you. Mama told me that when I was young, stuck beside me, my only son. Good evening, time 713, Boss Man, back out. I wasn't nobody on 35. I was Shaggy Dog down 15. Laying needles in a quarter because he can. Boss Man in the van. Moonshiner, good evening time. Hey, Moonshiner, good evening time to you up there, man. I heard you in there. I heard somebody else in there, but Moonshiner, you come up and took it over, man. Good evening time to you, Moonshiner, Boss Man, South Alabama, with this big old Saturday evening wave. You should have run. You should have stayed where you're at. Copy that, it is. What are you waiting for, ASLY, good evening time to you, man. ASLY, good evening time to you, man. I heard you. You came on up in there in fine style, no doubt about it. ASLY, good evening time to you, man. I heard you come on up in there. Let me get my butt up out of the middle of this doggone road or somebody comes in here and starts working on me. Boss Man, South Alabama said it. I'm getting on down.